You're welcome to another video class. We are going to look at nouns, and our focus is going to be on singular and plural, with a main focus or emphasis on nouns that form their plural by adding es. So quickly, we are going to define some terms. First of all, a singular means or refer to only one thing. A singular means or refer to only one thing. On the other hand, plural means more than one. Plural means more than one. So you see two opposite things. This is one thing, this is more than one. So once a thing is more than one, it means it is plural. Now we are talking about nouns. The plural of most nouns are formed by adding s. Like we all know, you could have words like boy, boys, book, books, and you just keep adding s in their plural forms. But some other plural nouns take other forms which include adding es. This simply means that we may not be right or may be wrong. We keep adding s to all nouns by writing their plural when we are writing their plural forms. So we need to learn a lot of the exceptions, of which those nouns that do not take just an s is our main focus, and we're looking at the nouns that we need to add es when we are writing their plural forms. Words that should accept es in their plural forms are nouns that following letters. Letters ch, letter o, letter s, letter ss, or letter x. These five set of letters, when they end any of the nouns, when writing their plural forms, we need to add letter es. Okay, so let's move quickly to look at examples of some of those words that end in some of these letters. Example of words ending with letters ch, letter o, letter s, letter ss, or letter x. The first one we are looking at now is the word bunch. The word bunch. The word bunch ends in ch. So it means that when we want to write the plural of this word, we are going to add es. Next is bus. Here you have a school bus. So when you want to write the plural form, you are also going to add es. Then we have another word, glass, that ends with ss. Then we have the word mango that ends with o. And lastly, we have the word box that ends with x. So let's move quickly to the next slide and see how we can write the plural forms of these words using this same graphical illustration. Move quickly to the next slide. From the first slide, we saw just one bunch of banana. Now we are looking at two bunches. So you see, the word bunch includes es in its plural form because it is now more than one bunch. Here we have two bunches of bananas, so we have to include es in plural form. Then the next is bus. We have two buses here. So let's see how this is written. Es is added to the word bus. So we have buses. Here we have glass and we have glasses. Es has been added. Glasses. And of course, we have mango, and in plural form, we have mangoes. And lastly, we have two boxes. Here was the box, and here we have two boxes. So this is how plural forms are written for these words or these nouns that end with ch, o, s, ss, or x. So I hope it is clear and you should be able to write the plural forms of any noun that you come across that ends in these letters. Thanks for watching. Bye.